That is the snowman that we made. How pretty. I can't see it, but it's snowing right now. Right, Mommy?
Yep, it's snowing.
Shut the door, bud. Whoa! I'm gonna break my camera. Say Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Good night.
Whoa, you're gonna break my camera, dude.
No.
Whoa.
Merry Christmas, everyone, and have a good night.
You making a commercial?
Samantha,
What are you eating on there?
I'm eating celery. It's a very healthy food. You should always eat celery. Go celery!
Santa doesn't eat celery.
Yeah.
Where are the cookies?
Professor, and he's on his way.
Like, who is this guy again?
Professor Higginson, why he wrote the book.
The cookies are for Santa, but not for you.
What? That is wrong.
So you should always have celery. And never have green peppers or any peppers.
Who made the snowman outside?
All of us.
All of us.
Actually, I should have showed you the girls' little one. I'll see if I can show it to you from in here. See it on the table? Now that is pathetic.
And the family made the big one. And the family made the big one. So check out at the big one.
I already checked out the big one. Showed them.
Well, it's called the girl boy. So, good night.